So you know those files that you get whenever you record something, usually a video, from your Mavic 3 or your Mavic 3 Pro or your Mini 4 Pro, probably the Mini 3 Pro, as well as the Mavic Air 3. Those SRT files, what are they? Well, quick rundown, it's a little bit of information about your camera and its use during the video that you were just making. These files can be superimposed over that video. There's a lot of online tools that you can use. A lot of them you have to pay for. I tend to use Filmora for my editing, and I just found out just by chance you can merge them in Filmora pretty easily. So let me show you here real quick. So once you have your edition of Filmora open on your desktop, one of the first things you want to do is drag your media clips in. There's your MP4 file, and then find that corresponding SRT file. It's going to be marked the same way as your MP4, and drag those in also. And then the next thing you want to do is bring them down to the timeline and stack them, basically one on top of the other. They're going to line up because there's the same amount of time on the timeline each. So what you want to also do is not right click, but left click both of them, holding the control button down so that both of them are highlighted, and right click, and then there's a feature called compound your clip or compound clip, and you can name it whatever you want to name it, and then hit OK. And if you notice, it turns it into one clip, and want to render it so it'll play back. And I'm going to play this clip just to show what you're going to end up with, which isn't really much. Like I said, it's about the information that's embedded in your video. And this is something recent I took of a courthouse in LaGrange, Texas. But there it is right there. That basically has all the information about what you just filmed, latitude, longitude, altitude, so be careful guys, and your camera statistics. Hope this helps some.